Hey YouTube, just want to show you the top case I'm putting on the GS here. Kind of getting ready for a trip, and I wanted a little bit more security, extra security, storage space, and watertight storage, because I am going to take off the side hard cases and put on soft cases, but I am going to retain the top box, just so I have, as I said, some extra storage space there and watertight storage. The soft cases are going to be watertight, but I am going off-road, so in the event that I do dump the bike, I don't want to thrash the panniers. So anyway, I ended up getting this top case. It is off of eBay, and yes, it is made in China. This thing cost me about $125, $130 with tax or whatever they added to it, but not a bad kit for, $130. Seems to have some nice features. It's got the gasket all around the perimeter here on top, and it's got some kind of pleather type padding inside with a couple of pockets on the top lid, and it's also padded down in the base, and it's got some kind of a hook here to just keep things stable. So it is also removable, obviously, from a bracket, and basically you just take that, or if it push it forward or back, I guess back, but anyway, you can see the bracket down there with the buttons, and this thing is being held onto my rack with 4 bolts, and I already did have a aluminum rack on there. I put some rubber in between this metal rack and the aluminum, just so the aluminum doesn't get all scratched up and destroyed. Other than that, I hope this thing holds in there for the trip. As I said, I am going to be doing a little bit of off-road, so just need this thing to hang on there, and hopefully I don't high side this thing or something like that. Hopefully I don't dump it at all. I mean, that's really the goal, but I'll do another video comparing the hard panniers with the soft panniers. I have those ready to go on here. I just wanted to show you the top box. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.